Hi everyone, my name is Tariq and had like to welcome you to my community Learn Pro English. I'm super excited. This community is designed for intermediate English learners or anyone who can read, write, and understand basic spoken English. Though this community and my website Learn Pro English, you will have a clear and structured path to improve your English skills and build speaking fluency. Together, we will practice listening, reading, vocabulary, and grammar in a simple and practical way. Members on the premium plan also get access to daily group calls, speaking sessions, where they can practice their speaking with myself and other learners. Premium plan members get daily listening lessons, daily grammar lessons, and reading lessons. So they will in good health and good shape once they start using on daily basis. Now let me introduce learnproenglish.com, which will be an important part of your English learning journey and help you make steady progress towards fluency. Let's get started. All right, first you need to visit learnproenglish.com. This is my website, learnproenglish.com. And you can go to sign up to use the sign up form, but let me introduce the pricing first. As a first time user, I will recommend that you should go for the free plan. Free plan gives you one listening practice weekly, listening videos, two grammar practices, and a access to our slow-mo method, which we are introducing in our listening. If in future, if you plan to convert it to premium, then you need to visit in our school community. Then you need to join the group. Then you will have the option to buy a premium plan. You will buy the premium plan from here on our school community website. Then what you need to do, you will send an email to support@learnproenglish.com, and with your name, email, and amount you paid, we will convert your account to premium member on our website. That's the simple process. Let's first start a registration. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so I'm going to use Alina Tariq and password. Let me choose a basic password. I'm going to use this account. Okay. So if all things go well, and then you can just submit and confirm. And what will we have sent an verification link to your email address. So let me just quickly pull the email address. This is how it looked like. Let me show you over here. This is how your email look like. Okay, I am using it inside a different window. So what I am going to use, if you are in the same browser, you just need to click verify your email, but I am on a different browser. I'm going to click paste and go. So once your email account will be verified, you will see this message and it will directly land you to our dashboard. Okay, so this is our website dashboard where we have, as a free user, you have just a single listening. But if you join as a paid user, you will find a lot more practice listening. Then there is a reading section. Then there is a grammar section. Okay. So let me first, there are other tabs as well. Like if you go back to homepage, then you will see the homepage again, listening, just listening. Grammar will show you this grammar exercises, reading, then the dashboard where everything will be listed. Okay, let's first introduce the listening section. This is first listening, Japan down with no waste. Let me ask you to read this first. This will make your life more easier while you will be using this website. So clicking on the answer box will start the video. Okay, so
The village of Kamikatsu is special, not for its tea fields.
Okay, what she said village of Kamikatsu is special. Once I write the correct spelling and just hit enter, it will check and the answer is correct. It said well done over here. Okay, then you can just press the tab button to move to the next box of answer. And here, if you just hit Control Enter,
Not for
then
its
it
tea
will start
fields
for
or idyllic mountains or peaceful
not for
historic
tea
homes.
field or idyllic mountains. Idyllic, here is the spelling. Let me first write the incorrect spelling. And you can see it is asking for try again. I am going to write the correct one and hit enter. Now it's good. So simply you can use tab button, hit control enter to
Peaceful historic
start
homes.
the video.
It's known for something it doesn't have.
Historic homes, right? So this is how it works. Then you can also see there is a vocab section over here, a spatial. Kamikatsu is not a spatial, means not ordinary or unusual, having a particular purpose. Then we have fields words written over here. It's not in the input box, but I think it should be known. So field means an area of land used for growing crops or keeping animals, usually surrounded by fence. So this is the meaning of fields, right? Then his idyllic. Idyllic means extremely beautiful, pleasant, peaceful. If you click again in the box, the video will restart from this particular moment. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. I'm not going to complete this, right? This will be another part, and then there is another like similar meaning sections. I've just repeated that to be more helpful. Then there is a read meaning and write the word. For now I kept in the same sequence, like different from normal is unusual or important is a spatial. So here, once you write down the spatial and correct spelling, it will just hide the check button and mark it in green. So it means this is correct. Fields here. Next, an area of land used for growing crops, plants, or tea. This is fields. Fields or field. Very beautiful, peaceful, and pleasant, idyllic. Idyllic. Let me sure just write down. So this is what's wrong. I like this is right. And finally, if you are a absolute beginner, then you can play with this. The village, add spacing. Village of Kamikatsu is special, not for its tea field. Also, once you complete, like there is a calculate button that will calculate your answer, like 3 correct, 1 wrong attempt out of 30. This is how you can calculate your progress. Then there is a show answers or hide answer. So if you're stuck somewhere and you are unable to find out what the word is, then you can just click the show answer and it will show you all the answers. This is how you can easily use the listening part. Let's move to the reading. Reading, here we are in the reading section. The viral Donald Trump buffalo spread from Eid sacrifice in Bangladesh. So you can read the full article and you can explore and try to understand it easily by just hovering over the meaning. A home minister ordered. Who? Home minister. Home minister is a government official responsible for internal affairs and public security. Ordered, he gave an official instruction or command. An official of Bangladeshi minister ordered or official command. The rare albino, rare, not seen or found very often. Okay, so you can do read the whole article, whole reading section and explore the meaning. I will create a separate video for that. Then finally, we have a grammar section where you can practice grammar. Okay, prepositions, the construction was done in haste, right? So this is how it was correct, right? So this is how you can use website learnproenglish.com, improve your reading, listening, grammar. It's a journey towards your fluency. And if you are a paid member, you will get a lot more advantage like daily listening lesson, a lot of vocabulary, daily reading, daily group calls. I believe this whole strategy makes you a better English speaker. Thanks for joining, and I will see you in my community.